So today we're gonna prepare for the subwoofer. You see here, we're gonna dry all the wires and everything. Yeah, you're gonna see it in the video. I just wanna say, don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. See ya in the video. So between the back seat and the front seat, you can see this big plastic piece. I didn't put the wire behind the plastic. I actually put it down under carpet, because if you put it behind the plastic, you can't put it back. It's too tight.
The next day.
Alright, so we stopped recording because we couldn't figure out how to get to the screws that are located here. Okay, so to remove to access these, you need to remove the center console, and to do that you need to push it backwards. And to do that you need to remove two screws here that are down there. And then you need to remove the screws here, which we already did before. And then under here there's a pin you have to just push it up, and it clicks, and then you can move all of it backwards, and then you can just remove the screws, and after that all of this comes loose, and you can remove this if you follow the stuff we did before as well. Okay, so to install the higher signal to lower signal for the speakers to the amplifier, you need to access the speaker wires in the speaker wires, and to access those you have to remove this screen, and then after that you need to remove the CD player, and the CD player is the one that controls the radio and everything. So the connector for that has all the wires you need to access all the speakers, and in the description you can find a link to the schematic which shows all the wires. Okay, so after we install the converter, we just put the RCA cables and install them alongside inside here, and then all the way back here, and then under the mat or under the carpet, and then up here, and we removed the back seats to be able to access the carpet easier, and then we could just get it all the way back without any issue.
You can see back here, coming out here behind the seats, it was actually not so difficult. And when you remove the carpet, you need to lose this list here on each side so you can bend up the carpet. That makes your life more easy when you drag it through here, because it's extremely tight here. You should be 2 people when you do this to make your life more easy and save some times. And here we put the ground in the seat belts. So we didn't make a new hole, we just used this. Don't forget to grind it down so it's make good contact. So we fucked up with this. You see this handle? We broke off one clip, but anyway, there are a lot of clips here. There you just push it down and work your way, and it will fall down in your head like it did on me. And it looks like this.